Hey man, say man, it's your boy Mike Makes Money back again with a new video. Today I'm going to be talking about Nano Dimensions. Nano Dimensions is basically a 3D printing company. Hopefully in the future that 3D printing is going to go crazy. It's going to be an amazing market honestly because the the idea of 3D printing is right now might be limited, but in the future is going to be game changing. Easily game changing because I already see a lot of people, especially just on TikTok, what they're able to make with their 3D printers. They can make like costumes right now, uh, and like costumes like from metal swords to face masks like Iron Man. That's what I saw recently on TikTok. But just looking at it, I know that this is just the beginning. Like 3D printing is just an idea right now. And what I mean by that is that it's not something that is going to be easy to do. It's really hard to do right now. But in the future, with materials and the the upgrades that are going to be happening with 3D printing, bro, I honestly believe that you're probably going to be able to print a 3D house, like silicone, plastic, all that stuff. Anything that's being able to mold, they're probably going to be able to make it out of 3D printing. So that's the idea of 3D printing and I believe that could be in the future, what it could possibly do in the future. I see it having limitless potential. It's probably going to be amazing. But right now, hey, it's an idea what they can do. So you always had to think probably like 3 years in the future what it could do. Probably 10, honestly. From printing houses is going to be tough. So with the advancement of technology and just how fast it's going, I'll say from like 10 to 20 years, it's probably 3D printers are going to be able to print a house. But Nano Dimension got hit hard, hit badly, especially Kathy Wood, an amazing next to Warren Buffett, female version of Warren Buffett, probably even better because she's always into disruptive technologies, trying to find the biggest thing that could be game changing in the future time. Not thinking about right now, not trying to make a quick buck, but oh, investments are crazy. Yo, I kind of follow her, amazing, and she did invest in Nano Dimensions, but this stock has been hit hard because people right now are only investing in companies that are doing good or amazing right now. I remember Disney was probably like one of the only companies that I saw were green. Very financial stocks like banks, everything that is like old school, probably not going to be around, I believe, in the future, except for Disney. That's a different story. But to me, I think banks are just going to go out of business. Fintech banks are going to be the next thing. But hey, I think most of the market is just probably old heads, older people that just think about what's gonna happen right now. They stop thinking about the future. They need to invest in things that are already working, have been working for a long time. Probably the most stable investments, stuff that isn't gonna go kaboom, not gonna go. They're not thinking about the future. They gotta think about right now. So that's what the market is doing right now. Is correcting itself. Everything that had a massive run up is gonna come back down, almost back down. Tesla got hit hard. Tesla hit an all-time high of like $860. Right now it's at around 600. I was watching it in class. It went to like $597, and I was hard to believe that Tesla was gonna. No, it went way lower. I think it went to like 550. I just know Tesla dropped, like madly dropped. But that's tough. It's tough being in the market right now and investing in for the future. Um, and I got some stories I want to tell. If you want to watch them, hey, just just check out my channel. I try to be as honest as I can, just try to be as myself as I can, just trying to give you guys my thoughts, ideas, because none of this is really financial advice. It's just a dude that loves talking about stocks, cryptocurrency, just making money in general. And hopefully you guys just enjoy this content. I try to do my best that I can. Try to make 7 videos a day. I'm gonna challenge myself because if I want to do something, if I want to become great at something, I gotta work hard for it. That's my mentality. And peace. Hope you have a good day, good life, good year, good everything. And I hope you have a great everything. Hopefully the market goes back up. And hey, green. Just think green. That's all you. Just think green. Manifest it. If you don't believe right now, just believe in the future. Yeah, I suggest probably stop watching your phone or whatever you invest on, because it is bloody right now. Everything is red, but if you're investing for the long term, hey, hopefully the market goes back up. That's all I gotta say.